Today is the 25th of January 2025 and I'm in our home in Gomba. Just came to say hello to my living mother, my sister, and to say hello to Mama in heaven and Papa and all my family members, and to also get some love from home. Yeah, another day of hiding, another day of injustice. As you all know, the police has always come out to give a statement on anything, but since the raid on my house, the first, the second, and the third one where my wife was assaulted, the police has not said anything. As I've always said, that in a country under family rule, the ruling family is always above the law and everybody else, a worker, an employee. The police cannot say a thing. The Human Rights Commission, you saw them going to my house to pay my wife a visit, apparently. And then after the raid and the assault on my wife and all the criminality that was done at my house, nothing has happened. Well, that's where we are. As you see, a day before my wife was attacked, the interreligious community was at my house and, spoke to my wife. I'm yet to hear their statement on what happened. But all in all, the task is on us Ugandans to free ourselves. I'm doing what I can do. I'm visiting various leaders across the country. Of course, under scrutiny, under fear, under high risk. But I'm doing what I have to do to reach out to you and charge you and tell you that you can also play your part, either singularly or in a group. But we can change our country, all of us. Thank you, people power, our power. Keep fighting, keep resisting. Uganda will be free.